a kiss in the misty rain, and I feel like I'm a rider on a downbound train. Last night I heard your voice. You were crying, crying, you're so alone. You said your love had never died. You were waiting for me at home. Put on my jacket, I ran through the woods. I ran till I thought my chest would explode. There in the clearing, beyond the highway, in the moonlight, our wedding house shone. I rushed through the yard, I burst through the front door, my head pounding hard. Upstairs I climbed, the room was dark, our bed was empty. Then I heard that long whistle whine, and I dropped to my knees, hung my head and cried. Now I swing a hammer on a road gate, knocking down them cross ties, working in the rain. Now don't it feel like you're